do it. Jesus Christ, I'm trying to get a good angle for you guys, so bear with me. I got a new location and I'm trying to do this the right way. Okay, I think this is cool. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Chanel 1XO. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But if you've been here before, you already know what it is. Smash that like button and show your girl some love. So today, of course, I'm back with it. We're gonna be doing another Shein haul, but this time it's just gonna be me, you, and these clothes. So if you're interested and you like this type of content, please stick around and enjoy. As you can see, we have a big bag of clothes and accessories from Shein and a change of scenery because I didn't want to go in there and do all that extra stuff. I just was not interested in it today. But nevertheless, we got some good stuff. So let me open this bag. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but I will be posting all of the clothes in this area right here so you will know what it looks like on the website versus what it looks like in person. All right. Ooh, well. Hold up. They trying to break my nails. I ain't got time for that. All right, first things first. This is a collared shirt. Excuse me. This collared shirt is like color block. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a crop top. Now, I don't know what I was thinking. I probably was feeling myself that day, but I'm trying to wear it though, y'all. Think I'm playing. But it's black, brown, and white, and it has white at the wrist. So, okay, so this next item is just, I was mainly going for comfort. You know, something easy to wear that you could put with anything. So this right here is another tank top. It's more crop, you know, than a regular tank top. But this is like in solid black and it's ribbed. I hope you guys can see that. And it's lightweight too, and it stretches. So you guys know with spring here and summer coming up, I bought most of these clothes with the intention on wearing them in the summertime. So I bought this nice orange shirt. I love the sides of it because you can pull up the sides. Well, I don't think it's gonna let me do that right now. Let me see. Yes, it did. You can pull up the sides and scrunch them up, which is perfect. And it's lightweight, it's very lightweight, it's very stretchy, so yes. And it's not that hot material because nobody want to be out here in the summertime or the springtime sweating. That is not for me. No ma'am. Okay, so this next item, I gotta get a little closer. These are some more nails. Let me do the little YouTube influencer thing. These are some more nails, you guys. No, I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, these are some more nails. These are so pretty. And they look expensive, so that's why I got them. And the ones that I got on, of course, these are the ones that I showed in the last haul. But yes, I have some more, so hold on. These are another pack. You can see the little gems on the bottom. Hope so. But yes, these are some more nails. These are more like the coffin style. I love extra long coffin style. Or, what do you call them? The ballerina. I think that's what you call them. I don't know. But those are the ones that I like. I also bought them in this color, and these are the same ballerina style. And I bought a more brownish color, and these are like almond style. And these are my favorite because they remind me of Meg Thee Stallion's nails in tribute to the Powerpuff Girls. And you know we all grew up on the Powerpuff Girls, so I had to do it. Like, look at these, you guys. These are so cute. And you don't even have to leave your home to do them. That's the best part. And I think these are like, I'll put it up here, but I think these are like $2 or almost $3. I mean, come on now, like, don't play yourself. So this next item I got to match a purse that I previously bought with them. You guys, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I am me 2477. I'll put it down right here. But yeah, I took a picture with the purse, and this is the wallet that I bought to go with it. So, but it's like cream and brown cow print material, but it feels so good. Can you hear it? It's like texture, and that's why I bought the purse. And this is the purse. So both of them together, you know what I'm saying? And it would fit perfectly because I needed something that was kind of fun to wear. Okay, next up, I got 2 pair of sunglasses. And I don't really remember exactly which pair I picked out. But oh, okay. These is the ones. So, one moment. Put these on real quick so y'all can get the whole vision. Y'all see this? Summertime come through. A quick disclaimer. When I was younger, I was very quiet. But then as I grew into myself, you know, I started talking a lot. So, I mean, if I am, you know, talking and carrying on, just know that I like you. So like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, on to the next pair. Let's check these out. All right. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, these go with that orange shirt that I bought. Oops, hold on. Let me try to get it out. I'm getting a little too excited about these. Hold up. Am I slow or what? Like, this plastic, bro. Hold up. Okay. So yeah, these are a nice clear orange pair with like a orange tint to them. Oh, these are, y'all, I could just look at myself all day. I'm just playing. No, but yeah, these are straight. These are straight. I'm wearing these. Trust and believe. If you guys made it this far into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend who may like content like this. I'm gonna get a little closer because I have a couple of accessories that I wanted you guys to see. I just love accessories, especially if they can complement an outfit and just set it off. And you know, hot girl summer is approaching, so we gotta get it right. But this is an anklet that I bought in the color silver, and it has money symbols on the bottom. So yes, I mean, you can use it as a bracelet too. It doesn't matter, you know. Let me see if that works. Oh yeah, definitely. You can use it as a bracelet if you don't want to use it as an anklet, for sure. But yeah, this was about probably $3-4. Not sure, but I will put it right here. So we're gonna move on to the next item. So with this next accessory, I'm gonna try to explain it the best way I can. Okay, so this is a wraparound nail gold drawstring bracelet, and this is what it's looking like. And the best part is that it is drawstring, so you really don't need no help to put this on. And it goes like this. I'm gonna try it on and I'll be right back. So as I put this on, I did notice that it was just so easy to do by myself. Like when I do have long nails, I find that I do call my daughter or my son to help me put these things on because they usually have like a clasp. But with this one, I can do it all by myself. So I do definitely recommend you guys go and get this. I finally got my hands on some of this Shein glam. I did not go as crazy as I wanted to, but next time, and I probably will make that its own haul by itself. But I'm gonna go and open up these boxes and show you exactly what I got. So this first item is a Shein Glam Color and Sculpt stick. It's a contour stick, and as I said in the first haul, it's a dual-sided compact makeup tool, so you could just throw it in your bag and go. So this is the first side, and this is the second side, and this is in a color 3, nude and cocoa. Okay, so this next item is a Shein Glam 12-hour full coverage concealer. So I'm gonna take her out of the box, and again, she's honeycomb if I didn't mention. And this, ooh, she is pretty. So this is the way it comes packaged. Very nice. And this is what it's looking like up close. I'm gonna try this out maybe tomorrow and see exactly if it is what it say it is. 12-hour coverage. We gonna see. I really gotta hand it to Shein for this packaging though. Like, this is a real pretty package. This is a Shein Glam lightweight matte blush. If you guys haven't seen my other videos, I have fallen in love with matte. So yes, I had to get a blush to go with it. So I'm gonna open this up. So this was really tucked in that box. So you can see it here, Shein blush. Now let me open it so you guys can get the full effect. Ooh, this is cute. It kind of has like an ombre effect. You guys can see it. Really, really pretty. Not too much, but just enough. What I do? I keep breaking this little remote that I'm using to record, and the battery keeps falling out. So just bear with me. Yo, I did it again. Oh my God, what is going on? You know what? Okay, anyways, back to the clothes. So I got a shirt. and it says Money Talks. And I don't know how I'm gonna be able to let you guys see. Oh, okay, there we go. Nice and hot pink, and it says Money Talks. And I also went ahead and I picked up its cousin.
Time is money.
And it has a different collar. It's called a stand collar, and it's nice and thick. So you know, on those colder spring days, you can just throw this on and everybody understand.
You gotta respect your time, because time is money.
So anybody that knows me knows that I love comfy, oversized clothing. So I got an oversized shirt in pastel, but it's not the front that got me, it's the back. So the back detailing says Los Angeles, and I plan to pair these with those orange sunglasses that I showed you guys earlier, and maybe some jeans. And again, this is a lightweight shirt that you can wear in the spring and the summertime. Okay, real quick, I wasn't gonna add these in the video, but I'll just throw them in there anyways. So the last haul, my daughter ordered a pair of gray stacked sweats. So I know everybody loves those stacked sweats. I didn't know where to buy them from. I didn't want to wait and buy them from AliExpress. So, you know, we kind of waited. But Shein has them. They have them in blue, I think. They have them in olive green. She has gray, and I have black. And this is what they look like. They're good quality. They stretch really nicely. This is our second pair that we bought from them. So they pretty long. But I will be wearing these on my Instagram, so go over there. I am me2477, and I will put the link down below. So excuse my mess, you guys, but quick question: do you guys like this setup, or do you guys like the previous setup? Let me know down in the comment box. If you guys made it this far, y'all the real MVP. Thank God this is the last of the last item. I don't even remember putting this in my cart, but it's just a
regular, smegular
hoodie. It's a lavender hoodie. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see the color, but I'm going to show you the inside just to show you how soft this is. This is something that I'm just going to put on and go when I need to go to the store. So again, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one.